Lucas and Marcus plan to arrest their stalker when their stalker asks money for Lucas and Marcus. Then Lucas and Marcus call to the policeman and telling to arrest the stalker. Then policeman was follow Lucas and Marcus home, and Lucas and Marcus call to the stalker and invite to come into their home. And the policeman follow Lucas and Marcus home, and Lucas Tobre called to the stalker and invite to come. Then stalker come into Lucas and Marcus home to receiving the money. And the policeman follow Lucas and Marcus home. When stalker come and receiving the money, then suddenly the policeman coming and arrest the stalker. The stalker is very angry on it. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that, and take care. Bye bye.